Welcome to Sam Podcast.
Enjoy listening to English every day.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Season 3 of the Sam Podcast. We'll be talking about business plans this season with me, Mr. Sam. Today, I'm excited to introduce our guest, Ms. Natalie Brooks, a retail strategist and former toy store owner who successfully ran her own specialty toy shop for over 10 years. Natalie, welcome to the Sam Podcast.
Thank you so much, Mr. Sam. I'm thrilled to be here. And I heard we're going to argue a little today.
Of course. Season 3 is all about serious business plans with a little friendly debate. Today's topic is how to write a business plan for a toy store. And I think this topic is more complex than people imagine.
Absolutely. Many people think toy stores are just colorful shelves and happy children. But behind the scenes, it's serious business.
Let's start with the dream. Many entrepreneurs think opening a toy store will be fun and joyful.
And it is joyful, but it's also seasonal, competitive, and financially risky.
Exactly why we need a strong business plan.
Without one, your store might not survive past the first holiday season.
That sounds dramatic.
It's realistic.
The first section, Executive Summary. I believe it should clearly define the concept, target market, and revenue goals.
Yes, but for a toy store, it must also highlight uniqueness.
What do you mean?
Is it an educational toy store, a budget-friendly toy shop, a premium collectible toy store?
Positioning.
Exactly. For example, our toy store will specialize in educational and creative toys for children aged 3 to 12, focusing on learning and development.
That sounds focused and professional.
And investors will understand your direction immediately.
Now, market research. Who are the real customers of a toy store?
Parents.
Exactly, not the children.
Children influence decisions, but parents control spending.
So the business plan must analyze both demographics, children's age groups and parents of income levels.
Yes, and also trends. Are educational toys popular? Are digital toys replacing traditional ones?
Competition must also be analyzed.
Big retail chains, online platforms, and even supermarkets.
So the market research section should include competitor analysis and customer behavior.
Absolutely.
Now here comes the big debate, location.
I knew this was coming.
Toy stores belong in shopping malls.
Not necessarily.
Why not?
Mall rent is extremely high, and toy sales are seasonal.
But malls have high foot traffic.
Yes, but during non-holiday seasons, traffic may not convert to sales.
So where would you open one?
In residential areas with many families.
Interesting.
In your business plan, compare at least 2 location options with rental cost, expected traffic, and break-even analysis.
That sounds logical. Let's talk about product strategy.
This is where many toy store owners make mistakes.
By stocking too many types of toys?
Exactly. Too much variety can create inventory problems.
But children like variety.
Yes, but you must categorize wisely. Educational toys, outdoor toys, board games, dolls and action figures, creative arts and crafts.
So the business plan must explain product categories and pricing strategy.
And also supplier relations.
Toy suppliers can be local or international.
Yes, and payment terms vary.
Minimum order quantities can be risky.
Very risky if products don't sell.
So in the business plan includes supplier contracts, payment terms, and return policies.
And inventory turnover rate projections.
Especially because toys may become outdated quickly.
Exactly.
Toy stores are about happiness.
Yes, but happiness doesn't pay rent.
You're very direct today.
Because many toy store owners focus on excitement and ignore numbers.
So what's the key message?
Combine creativity with financial discipline.
I agree. To write a business plan for a toy store include
Executive summary with clear positioning.
market research,
Location analysis.
product strategy,
Supplier and inventory plan.
marketing and seasonal campaigns,
Operational structure.
financial projections.
Risk management and growth strategy.
Natalie, this conversation was energetic and insightful.
I enjoyed it very much.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for inviting me.
And to our listeners, if you're dreaming of opening a toy store, remember, behind every smiling child is a carefully written business plan.
Plan wisely, sell joy responsibly.
See you next time on Season 3 of the Sam Podcast.